Hey everyone. I'm just going to make this video and everything like that. Yeah. So most of if y'all don't know, I went to this school called. I'm not going to say the name because after I say what happened, everything that happened, yeah. So it was some bad stuff that happened at the school that I went to, and I'm going to say what happened. So, y'all heard this saying, whatever happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, whatever happens in this house stays in this house. That's the same saying for whatever happens in the school stays behind the school walls. I'm just deciding to say expose what happened. That's why I'm not that's why I'm not name dropping the school I went to. But anyway, the school I went to was a special needs school. And a lot of stuff happened as aid happened. Yeah. So anyway, bullying, yeah. So the first thing that happened was, and disclaimer, I'm going to talk about the teachers that was in the LGBTQ that did wrong things, but everyone in the LGBTQ is not bad. Everyone in the LGBTQ is not like these teachers that I'm about to talk about. So I don't want people to look at this group of people which is the LGBTQ and think that all of everybody that's in the LGBTQ is bad. Yeah. Now, this one incident happened when I was in vocational class, and this teacher, which is gay, she kept accidentally touching this classmate in her chest area, and she is non-verbal and verbal at the same time, meaning that she can talk, but she can't tell people what happened to her. This person did that, this person did that. No, she can't. So anyway, the teacher kept accidentally touching her tail. And like I say accidentally like that because it's an accident if you do it like 1, 2 times. But if you do it like 10, 20 times, that's not no accident. Now I saw it happening, but I couldn't say nothing, and I couldn't say nothing, or I would have got in trouble. I got in trouble before for saying, for speaking up and saying something that was going down, and I got in trouble. So I'd say, you know what? I'm not going to get in trouble no more. So the only thing I could do was ignore it, and I mean that does sound so bad to do, like you're ignoring the fact that this person is really molesting someone. Yeah. So anyway, another incident happened to me. Now this incident happened on the last day of, not the last day of school, but on the ending of the school year. We had a swimming pool party. I was changing my wet clothes to dry clothes, and I was in the bathroom, and the same teacher was in the bathroom. She knew I was in the bathroom. She knew I didn't need assistance getting changed. Like, if y'all don't know, in some people with special needs assistance in the bathroom. I didn't need assistance. I don't need assistance in the bathroom. So she knew I didn't need assistance in the bathroom, and she knew it was a one stall, and but she just paused in. And what could I do? I couldn't do nothing. Because remember, I got in trouble for speaking up. Yeah, I couldn't do nothing. But she didn't do nothing. She didn't touch me. She didn't try to touch me, and she didn't touch me at all. I just felt uncomfortable, nervous, afraid, scared. Yeah. And anyway, and I couldn't do nothing. Anyway, she ended up getting fired. Now, she told the class she just got fired. She walked in the classroom and she basically said, I won't be here next year. We say, why? And I had to act like was sad. I wasn't sad at all. I say, why? And basically she said, I just got fired. So anyway, she got fired. Long story short, she got fired. And then it was another incident that happened with this another teacher that was gay, inappropriately touched and student in his private parts. And a lot of teachers knew about it, knew what happened, didn't do nothing about it, didn't say nothing about it, and nothing happened until one teacher whistle blew and said something, and then she got in trouble and she got fired. I know she got fired because I like eavesdropping on teachers' conversations. So anyway, I found out she got fired. And she got fired for only 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, she came back. And she was good for like 2 solid weeks, but then she got in trouble again for inappropriately touching a non-verbal autistic blind student. And then she got fired for good. And like, it's just frustrating. it's frustrating because I see a lot. I saw a lot of bad things, but I couldn't say nothing. I couldn't do nothing. And even if I try saying something, I got in trouble. It backlash, like because I tried to speak up. I tried saying something, and no one killed. And yeah. And this fourth incident happened when I was 14 years old. Now I don't know if this considered to be SA or not, but some another classmate inappropriately touched me, and obviously he did it in a surprise way. Like I did I didn't even know he was going to do that. I didn't want it, and he just did it anyway. I'm not going to say what he did, but he did that, and I just I tried to make jokes about it, like in my head, like I didn't tell nobody what happened, like even though it was in the middle of like BE, I didn't say nothing and everything like that. Yeah, and yeah, but yeah, but when I went up to both high school, it even got worse. That was only in the main school. Now, the both high school, I went into post high school after I graduated from high school. It's an optional program, optional school to program for special needs adults with special needs. So I went through the program unwillingly. I didn't want to go through the program. Um, I'm sleepy, by the way. So if I'm like, I'm sleepy, by the way. I only got 4 hours of sleep. So anyway, I didn't want to go through the program, but my mom thought it was going to be a brilliant, awesome idea. It wasn't like because I wanted to end my life every day when I went to the program, and it's I'm not exaggerating. I'm not playing. I'm not joking. I wanted to end my life. And yeah, I wanted to end my life because I got called the N-word by a white student, white classmate. And I got called monkey by another white classmate. And ooh ooh gaga, not ooh ooh gaga. Oh, monkey noses. This white person, this white classmate was making monkey noses to me, and they was making fun of my reading. I have dyslexic. I'm dyslexic, and I read so I hate reading. I hate reading. And the teacher was making fun of how I was reading. It was bad. Um, yeah, it was bad. The teacher was making fun of how I was reading. This teacher made fun of my seeing problems because without my glasses I can't see crap. I can't see crap. And they made fun of it, and I was getting bullied so much with they almost broke my pinky. They bent it back so much until I screamed out. No teacher killed. It was bad. And, and I just was ready to leave this earth. I'm not joking. I legit was ready because I got done. And legit in the summer of 2016, I made that choice to leave the program and not to come back. And I did it. Remember that program that I was in was an optional program. So I graduated from school, but that was just an optional program. So, yeah, and even now, when, like, few years later, after I left the program, few years later, me and my mom went to shop at the store, like, close to the school. And I never told my mom this until years later, but I was so depressed. As soon as we got to that area, I was so depressed, so mad, so angry, so sad. And as soon as we left that area, I felt so much better. And I told my mom like 2, 3 years later, and my mom said, okay, we're just not going to go back to that area. But anyway, it was bad. It was big. I mean, because y'all don't even know how much things that you could see in school, but that that's bad. You know that's inappropriate, but you can't tell nobody, and it just be stuck in your brain, and you can't say nothing and everything like that. So it's like after a certain time, I just stopped caring about my like image at school. When I say image at school, I mean I mean, before not killing, I will just keep smiling, going up to people, keep smiling, or keep being helpful, whatever. I'm an helpful person. I want to make other people smile in a good mood, even if I'm not in a good mood, whatever. I stop being like that, and I just started kind of unleash my frustration and build up, like releasing it without releasing it. If y'all understand what I'm saying, y'all probably don't. But anyway, yeah. But I'm just happy that after this video, I could be in a good mood again by watching Johnny Gilbert and Jake Rapper videos. So, because talking about this gets me in a mood, and it's Saturday, so yeah. But just imagine seeing scrap, seeing whole bunch of crap, but you can't say nothing and everything like that. But anyway, I hope y'all like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and sorry that y'all get hearing my dog barking. Anyway,